Have you ever stayed up all night overthinking a conversation? Or spent hours replaying something someone said, wishing you could control what they think of you? What if I told you most of that stress, anxiety, and frustration comes from trying to control things you were never meant to control? And what if there was an ancient philosophy, over 2,000 years old, that teaches you how to let go of all that noise and finally feel calm, clear, and mentally strong again? That's what Stoicism can do. And today, I'll show you the mindset shift that can completely change the way you deal with stress, people, and everyday chaos. Let's dive in. Think about the last time you were really stressed. What caused it? Maybe you were running late and got stuck in traffic. Or maybe you worked really hard on something, but someone didn't appreciate it. Or maybe you were worried about something that hasn't even happened yet. Here's the truth. Most of our stress, anxiety, and emotional pain comes from trying to control things that aren't really in our control. We want people to treat us a certain way. We want life to go our way. We want everything to feel certain and predictable. But life doesn't work that way. Other people have their own minds. Plans change. Accidents happen. The future is unknown. And the more we try to control these things, the more we suffer. The Stoic philosophers, like Epictetus, Seneca, and Marcus Aurelius, understood this deeply. Epictetus said it best: some things are up to us, and some things are not. That's the foundation of Stoic wisdom. The things that are up to us, our thoughts, our actions, our choices, how we respond. The things that are not up to us, other people's actions, the past, the future, what others think of us, luck, weather, politics, outcomes. It's a simple division. What can I control versus what I cannot? And once you learn to focus only on what's in your control, you stop wasting energy on everything else. That shift is where peace begins. Imagine this. You're waiting for a reply after sending a risky text. You're anxious. What's really causing your stress? It's not the situation. It's your desire to control their response. But you can't. That's not up to you. What is up to you? How you manage your emotions while waiting. Whether you distract yourself with something positive. How you respond, no matter what they say. Here's another one. You're in traffic, running late. You're fuming. Can you control the traffic? No, but you can control whether you curse and clench the wheel or take a breath and accept it. When you stop trying to control the uncontrollable, you gain back your power. That's emotional strength. Now, some people think, so I'm just supposed to stop caring? Let things happen? No, that's not what Stoicism says. It's not about giving up. It's about letting go of the illusion of control. You still show up. You still try your best. You still take action. But you focus only on your effort, not the outcome. For example, you prepare well for a job interview. That's your effort. That's within your control. Whether you get the job, that's not fully up to you. So you do your part and release the rest. This mindset keeps you from riding an emotional roller coaster. Instead of being crushed by rejection or elated by success, you stay grounded. You know you did your part. That's real peace. And over time, that mindset builds resilience. So, how do you actually apply this in real life? Here are a few simple tools you can use every day. White heavy check mark the control check. When something stresses you out, pause and ask, is this within my control? If yes, great. Take action. If no, let it go. Repeat this as often as needed. Even write it on a sticky note. Is this within my control? White heavy check mark the circle technique. Draw a circle on paper. Inside, what you can control, your actions, choices, mindset. Outside, what you can't control, others' opinions, the future, weather, etc. This visual reminder helps you stay focused on what actually matters. White heavy checkmark, the Stoic morning reminder. Start your day with a quick reflection. What can I control today? What might go wrong? And how can I respond with calm? Marcus Aurelius did this every morning. It's like emotional armor. White heavy checkmark the evening review. At night, reflect. Did I stress over things I couldn't control? Did I respond with calm or get carried away? How can I improve tomorrow? This simple habit sharpens your awareness and builds daily growth. Let's bring this to life with a few common examples. Briefcase at work. Your boss criticizes you unfairly. You feel angry and hurt. You ask, is this within my control? You can't control how they act, but you can control your response. Do you react emotionally, or stay calm and ask for clarity? Do you let it ruin your day, or focus on improving your own work? That's Stoicism in action. Man standing with people. A friend cancels plans last minute. You feel disappointed. Control check. Can you control their schedule? No, but you can choose not to take it personally. You can reschedule or use the time to do something nourishing for yourself. Mobile phone on social media. Someone posts a rude comment. Can you control them? Nope. Can you delete, block, ignore? Yes. Instead of wasting mental energy arguing, you protect your peace. At first, this mindset may feel unfamiliar. You might still react. That's okay. But the more you practice, the more you'll notice something powerful. Less anxiety, less frustration, more clarity and focus. A deep sense of calm, even when life gets messy. Why? Because your energy is no longer scattered. You're not trying to control the ocean. You're learning how to surf it. You stop reacting. You start responding. That's emotional freedom. That's Stoic strength. So here's the challenge. This week, practice a Stoic mindset. When something stresses you out, stop and ask, is this within my control? If yes, act. If no, release it. Notice how it changes your mood, your decisions, and your peace of mind. Let me know in the comments how it goes. What situation did you handle differently? And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. We'll keep exploring Stoicism, mental health, and how to build a strong mind together, one principle at a time. Until next time, stay calm, stay grounded, stay stoic.